Okay, hello everyone, welcome to this live stream. Very good evening, everyone. How are you people doing? Let me know. Very good to have you here in this live stream, and very welcome to this live stream here on 28th May, timings 10 p.m. only onto the YouTube channel Fun with Data Science. So, yeah, let me know. How are you people doing? How the thing is going at your end? And the sort of things like that. Okay. Hi Shalini, welcome to the live stream. Hope you are doing well. Hope you are doing well, Shalini. Great. Okay, so yeah, hi everyone, welcome to the live stream. Hope everyone is doing very well. Hi Nikhil, welcome to this live stream, and good to have you back here, Nikhil. Good to have you here. Hi Riansh, welcome to the live stream. Hope you are doing well, Riansh. So yeah, very good to have you all here in this live stream today. So up till the time people are joining in, what I can do is that I can let you know about the agendas which I'm following up onto my channel. Right, so Nikhil, what's that topic for today? Nikhil, I would just disclose that in a very short while, Nikhil. Okay, so yeah, so the agenda which goes on starts on your Mondays. So Mondays are the first days of a new week, and there you get up a very exciting video from my side, a sort of a general video about like the past which I had done are which is the best programming language to learn in 2022, which internship to do, paid or unpaid, and what are 7 ways in which you can earn more than 1 lakh a month in your early 20s. So these are the types of topics which I generally take on your I would say Mondays. So those are about. Further moving on towards your Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So there you completely get in the topics related to your Python for machine learning. I just post in the videos related to Python for machine learning. Okay. Further on to the Saturdays. So yeah, there's a live stream already in the evening, 10 p.m. So that's all about. And now further moving to your Sundays. So on the Sundays as well, you get in a video regarding your Python for machine learning. So that's what is the complete agenda that we are following up here onto the channel Fun with Data Science. Right, and if you are having any requirements like any more additional topics which you want me to cover or things like that, so you can always let me know at any time. Okay, in any of my recent videos you can let me know that anytime. Okay, I would highly appreciate that out. So yeah, it's very good to have you people here today in the live stream. So the IDE which I will be using up today is your PyCharm IDE. Okay, PyCharm is the IDE which we'll be using up today into this particular live stream. Okay, great. Nice. Okay, fine everyone, fine. So what I can do is that we can start a little bit regarding your project for today that we will be doing up in Python, and I can give you a little bit idea regarding that project. right? So I hope that's gonna um, help out, or it's gonna work out, right? So yeah, just let me have in some water, and then we can just proceed on towards your project for today. Okay, so yeah, so we can start on our project for today, whatever we are having up here. Okay, so what I can do is that I can disclose up that what type of project we are going to make up today. So we will be making up a project today, and with the help of that respective project you will get to, like, you can extract the information of any respective country with the help of this particular project, right? So it will be a sort of project into which you can extract up the information of any particular country according of your choice, and you can extract up any information regarding that particular country. So that's what will be our project for today. Okay, now since I had started up my live streams, so we have been doing a lot of projects onto your GUIs. So what I'm going to do is that I'm not going to take up this GUI project today. It's a Python project, right? But I am going to let you know how you can upgrade this to a GUI project, and further how you can do up the things here and all of the respective things. Okay, so that's what's going to be our Python project for today. Right, so hope you are very much excited for this project. Okay, Aditya. Hi, Asha Food Products. Welcome to this live stream. Hope you are doing well. Great. So yeah, we can slowly and gradually we can proceed towards our project for today, and we can simply use up the libraries whatever are needed and things like that for our particular project of today, right? So yeah, we can just simply do that out here, and we can simply and gradually start up the things, right? Great. So the library which I am going to use up here is my country info. Okay, that's my library which I'll be using up here. So I'm going to write up here that from country info. From country info, I am gonna write up here I'm gonna import up the country info. Okay, 1 second, just let me read up a message here. Sagar, hi Sagar, welcome to the live stream. Good to have you here in this live stream, Sagar. Which project will we do today, Sagar? So today we are gonna make up a project into which, and with the help of which you will actually be able to extract up the information of any respective country of your choice. So that's gonna be a very much fun and a very much interesting project of today, which you people can do in, and even I would let you know that how you can upgrade this particular project and make a project which is not yet existing up till now in the market. Right, so I would let you know all of these things today in the live stream. So hope you had gotten the idea regarding the project which we're going to do. So let me get started up here. So for the same thing only, what I had done is that from my country info. Now this country info, what is it actually? It is one of my libraries which we are having up here, right? So if it is not installed for you, so you can simply write up a command which is pip install country info, right? And that will completely help you to install this particular library. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to write from country info. What I'll be doing up is that I will be importing up my country info function. So after the from, which or whatever I have written, that is one of my libraries, and after the import whatever I have written, that is one of my functions which I am importing up from this particular library. And just please see the difference. Here in this country info, C and I both are small, and here in this country info, C and I both are capitals, right? So make sure that you're not making up any mistake in writing up this respective thing. Okay, that's about this particular one. That's the idea, right? So, uh, hope you have written up this first line, whatsoever I have told you up here, and hope this line is pretty much clear to you. Okay, great. So this was the very first thing that was required to do up here. Right now when I have done this out, what's my next task? So my next task will be that I will be writing up the variable into which I will be storing my country name. Okay, that's what is the next step which is gonna be. So what I would do simply is that I'm gonna write up it a manner like name underscore country. Okay. Hi Kirti, welcome to the live stream. Hope you are doing well. So name underscore country, my variable name. Okay, into which I will be writing up the name for my country, for which I'll be finding up the information. For now, I'm not gonna write that out. I'm gonna simply put in the double quotations and simply leave it blank for now. Okay, I'm not gonna interrupt anything here. Fine. So that's the idea. Now, further, what I will be doing up here is that I will be using up a variable. Let's say it's C. Okay, C. That's equal to your, let's say, country, C O U N T R Y, country info, like this. Okay, country info. And into the bracket, this country info is the function which I have imported up above, right? It's that same function, nothing different here. So it's that same function which I have just imported up above. It is about that. And next, inside this particular country info function, what I will be doing up here is that I will be writing up the variable into which I will be storing up the name of my country, for which I am going to search out the information. I'm going to extract out the information. So that variable is name underscore country. Right away we had made that above. Right, so that's what was the thing, and that is what was the variable name which I wanted to pass in inside my country info function. Right. So hope I am pretty much clear with these next two lines about my name underscore country variable and my C variable, which is having my country info as a function, and inside what I had simply passed in a variable name underscore country, and that's my variable which is storing the name of my country. Okay. Hi Ashish, welcome to the live stream. Hope you are doing well. Great, fine. So this thing is completely and absolutely done. Right. Now, Aditya ma'am, how can we own during learning the data science? Aditya, during learning the data science as well, Aditya, recently on the last Monday only, Aditya, I had posted a video that how you can make 7 ways with which you can make more than 1 lakh per month at early age of 20. Where this was one of the videos which I had posted the previous Monday itself, Aditya. So you could please go ahead and check that video. Into that video I had provided up some options like that. Right, Aditya? So you can just check that video once. Hope you got that out. Great. So it's done, right? Fine. My country name is there. Now let's say there is some name of any country, and that's some name is very difficult of any respective company, right? So it might happen many a times that we are writing up some wrong spelling, but the libraries are designed in such a manner that they are able to understand the name of that particular country, right? But the spelling of that country is wrong. So what do we do up here? There is that we actually can correct up the spelling of that respective country as well. Let's say I had written up the wrong spelling. So in that case, let me show you how. So 1_info, my variable name. Okay, and into that what I'm going to do up here is that I'm going to write up C, my variable, into which I had used in my country info function, C dot, and I'm having up a function which is alt_spellings, and the bracket like this, right? So 1_info is equal to C dot alt_spelling. So C is a variable which is calling up my country info function, and inside that we had passed in the variable which is name_country. So this variable will help me to get in the information of the respective country for which I want to search in out. Now next thing is that, let's say if I have written up the spelling as wrong, then what's gonna happen out? So at that sort of time, this alt_spellings function will help me to correct the spelling of that particular country. Rather, we have a library, it is that much well versed and well written that it is actually able to understand that what's that country which you are looking for. But rather than if you had written some wrong spellings, it's like that you will get to know the correct spelling for that. Okay, it's about that respective thing. So Nikhil, how many libraries in Python? Nikhil, there are numerous libraries. Okay, there are many libraries. We do not have a proper count of that. There are many libraries. Okay, Niranjan, thanks for making this video. Most welcome Niranjan in that particular case. Sagar, what is alt_spelling? Sagar, alt_spellings is a function which will help you to correct your spelling. Let's say, Sagar, I have written up some wrong spelling of any country, right? There are many countries which are having some difficult types of spelling. So let's say I have written in any country's name for which the spelling is wrong. So this alt_spellings function which will actually help me to correct the spelling for that respective company. Okay, so this is what is actually about your respective alt_spellings function, right? So hope I am pretty much clear with that to you, Sagar. It's Guru, it's Gur, what is it? Gur Simran Singh. Okay, Gur Simran Singh, you can speak normal English, ma'am. You do not need to exaggerate. Okay, this is the manner actually into which I really speak. So it's nothing like that actually, but yeah, if you feel like that, it's something which I am doing. So I'm not sure about that perspective thing. So this is the same manner into which I speak in general English as well. Aditya, sorry for inconvenience, but please tell me when you have time how to get job as a data scientist for fresher. Yeah, sure, Aditya, we can just discuss this at the end of this live stream. Okay, sure, just remind me once, and I can help you out with this particular thing. Okay. Ajay, hi Ajay, welcome to the live stream. First of all, hope you are doing well. Ajay, I'm from civil engineering. Okay, so I'm thinking to learn Python. First of all, Ajay, I really appreciate that out if you're a civil engineering person rather than as well you are thinking to learn Python. So yeah, I really highly appreciate that out. And secondly, Ajay, I will say you're at the right place. You can go through my playlist of Python for beginners, which are link for that is already present in that description of this live stream. So you can just go out there and check on the playlist of Python for beginners. So they will get complete Python for your complete beginners Python programming language. You will just learn all of the concepts there. So you can just go up there and study about that. Okay. And rather if you want some certifications as well in Python basics, so I even have my Udemy courses. So you can just go over that Udemy profile of mine. You can just search Shambhavi Gupta there over Udemy and you will get me there. So there on the Udemy as well, I have many courses, around 15 courses. So there as well, you can just go and take in some courses of mine, and you can just study that and get the certifications as well. Okay. Okay. Okay, most welcome. Okay, fine, Sagar. Most welcome, Sagar. Most welcome, Ajay. Hi, Priyanka. Welcome to the live stream. Hope you are doing well. Okay, great. So yeah, we can just simply proceed on here with the things. Okay, just let me quickly have some water, then we can go ahead. Sagar, do you course on Tableau? Yeah, Sagar, my Tableau course is already there onto the YouTube. Onto the Udemy recently I'm not having, but yeah, might be in some time, very soon you will get the Tableau course on Udemy as well. But if you want to study on YouTube, so on YouTube I already have up the Tableau playlist. So you can just go on the channel, find that out regarding Tableau. You will get that. Okay, great. So here I just simply altered out the spelling, means that I had simply corrected the spelling here. And what I can do is that I can print that as a print one underscore info. So that manner you can just simply check out and make up the spellings, correct up the spellings for any of the wrong written spellings of any of the countries. Okay. So further, next what you could do is that we can proceed on, and next information we can as well print. Now let's say I want up the capital as well. So let me just run straight this one. Niranjan, do you have any idea about why data science fresher not get placements? Okay, let me just give you a very quick insight over this. See, Niranjan, it happens that generally for the freshers, there is a role in under the data science field only, and which is a data analyst role. Okay, so actually data scientists, the people who become the data scientists now, they are already experienced of somewhat 4 to 5 years in this data analyst or in this business analyst field. This data analyst and this business analyst, these are both of the fields which are under your data science only, right? So firstly, a fresher can just simply go into this data analyst field. You will get in the job there based upon your skills and the skill set. And when you are working for 2 to 3 or 4 years in the data analyst or business analyst field, then you can generally apply on for the data science, and then you can go towards your data science journey or data scientist role. Generally that is the, because about this perspective, this is the particular procedure how you can go. So actually data scientist is one of the jobs which is asking for the experience. So you can just gain in the experience first of all in the data analyst, and then you can proceed on towards your data science field. Okay, this is the one. Okay, fine. Hope your question is answered out, Niranjan. Perfect. So this one is done at all. Next I want, let's say I want of the info, I want of the capital, right? So it's 2 underscore info is equal to, it's going to be like C dot, and this time I'm going to use up another function which is your capital. Okay, capital, and putting up the brackets like this. So we're not writing nothing there. Niranjan, yes. Okay, most welcome for that, Niranjan. Okay, so 2 underscore info is equal to C dot capital. Okay, now next what I can do is that I simply print that as well up here for me. So it will be 2 underscore info. So what will it actually do out for me? It will actually let me know the capital of the respective country for whatsoever you are writing up the name here, and for whatsoever you are trying to gather up the informations. Right. Now, 2 things are being done up at my end here. First of all, your spellings have been corrected if it is wrong. Secondly, you get in the capital. Now, third thing we can proceed on with the, and let's say that's the variable is 3 underscore info. And I could write it up here like C dot, and I can go with the languages. It means that what are the languages which are being spoken into that particular country. We can just find some information like that. It's gonna be interesting, right? So we can find in some information regarding your what are the languages which are being spoken into that country. It seems interesting, right? So yeah, this languages variable is gonna do out the same thing here. Okay. Hi Amit, welcome to the live stream. Hope you are doing well. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much for asking out, Amit. I'm doing very good. Thanks for asking out. So yeah, great. We were talking about this languages. So let's say I wrote in India here. Okay. Now into that here only what you could do is that you can just search in that what are the languages which are being spoken up here in the India. So you will just get a lot of things regarding your languages which can be spoken up, right? And here you can simply write in print, and that's gonna be your 3 underscore info like that. So 3 print 3 underscore info. So this particular languages function will help you get in the information regarding your languages which are being spoken into that respective country. Right, now I just want you all to please go through up till here whatever we have written. Just check it out once. If you have any questions, please put that out in the comment box. And let's just up till that particular time, let me resolve up the query for Adit. Okay, ma'am, I want to make my career in AI. Some say to start with data science. I have strong mathematics and I can learn coding. I decided to take course from Coding Ninjas. Please suggest me what should do. Okay, Aditya says I want to make a career in artificial intelligence. Okay, so it's like that, Aditya. What you could do is that, yeah, see, for the artificial intelligence, it's like a sort of one thing, generally it's like that, ki you have to simply choose AI, right? Now, AI is one of the things into which you are having many fields like your data science, your deep learning, your machine learning as well, right? So what you could do first of all, Aditya, is that you can just first of all prepare up that what are the requirements and what are the skills for your AI, right? And now after that you can just find in some of the skills from which you can start in actually. You can start in with Python, absolutely, that's a great idea, and that's really one of the things which is being used up there in the artificial intelligence. So yes, absolutely, that's wonderful. If you are having good mathematics, so that's a bonus point which you are having it with you, because generally what happens that if the mathematics is not good, so yeah, you just get in some type of problems in proceeding up with these things. So but it's a very bonus point with you that you're having good mathematics. So yes, you can proceed with this particular AI field. Course depends on to you, Aditya. It's your choice. Whatever the platform you choose in, it's completely dependent on to you. Every platform is providing up good knowledge in all of the respective fields. So Aditya, it's your choice. It depends on to you which platform you want to choose. I will really say that whatever the platforms right away we are having up in the market, all are providing and sharing some good knowledge, some beneficial knowledge which can actually help you to lead this particular AI field, right? So that is what my suggestion I can give you here. And if anything else, Aditya, so you can just please write that down in the chat box, and I'll be really happy to answer out more for you, right? Okay. Amit, शामा भी पाइथन तो समझ आती है, बट जो लैंग्वेज आप बोलते हो वो समझ नहीं आती मेरे को. So Amit, is it like okay, so is it like, do you want me to speak in Hindi? Is that like, if you want, so yeah, I can proceed with I can explain you in Hindi as well. It's no worries in that case. Okay, you can just let me know. Sagar, hi Sagar. Sagar, I tried the code in Jupyter Notebook, but shows error, no module name country info. Sagar, I just told you in the very starting that you have to install this module. So you can write up a command, pip install country info. Okay, and that will help you out. Great. Okay guys, so that's done. You people can proceed on further guys. If you have any more things, you can please put that in the chat box. Okay. Okay, that's done. um Languages is done. Next I could go with the 4 underscore info. Okay, my next variable, c dot, and now I can just search it for the time zones, right? Because for the different countries, we are having up the different time zones. So yeah, we can just search in for your respective country that what are time zones which we are having in that particular company, right? So I could just use in this function, which is your time zones, and it will help me to get in about the time zones which we have in for that particular country, right? So that's one of the other things which you can proceed. One more interesting can be your currency, so you can check on the currency as well. So it's like c dot, and I'm going to write up here currency, and you can put in the bracket like this, but not currency, it's current, CRENCIES. It's like currencies. Put in the bracket and print in like 5 underscore info, like that. Okay. So this was about your currencies. One more thing which you can do up here, like 5 underscore info is equal to c dot currencies, and you can simply print in 5 dot info. That's what you can do up here, right? Now, what information we had gathered up till now? We had set out the spelling, then the capital, the language, the time zones, the currencies. If you want to know the calling code, like for India, like it's +91. Similarly, it's for different countries. The calling codes are as well different. So if you want, we can search out that particular thing as well. We can get in some information regarding that as well. So I can just write it up here like 6 underscore info is equal to c dot, and I can use up here the respective function like your I would say calling, CALLING calling underscore. I could use up here quotes like this, right? So calling underscore quotes like this, right? So that's the thing which we can do up here. For calling codes, like what is the calling code for that particular company, we can do that out, right? And next here I can use up my print statement and simply print that out like 6 underscore info. Okay, we can just simply do that out as well. So I had gathered somewhat around 6 informations about the country for which you are looking for the informations, right? And now what happens, we are having up one more particular function, which is your wiki, WIKI wiki function, right? So that wiki function will actually help you get in some information regarding your country from the Wikipedia as well. So I can just simply write up here that wiki as well. So it can be 7 underscore info, 1 second, INF info like this is equal to, okay, and I can write up here c dot WIKI, put in the brackets like this, and I can simply print that out, PRINT and is 7 underscore info, right? So this can as well be done. Now there is some more informations which you can actually find in, but up till that particular part, please let me know if I am clear with this particular thing to everyone up till now. Okay. So yeah, hope I'm clear up to this particular place to everyone. So now further, let's say you want in the borders, what are the borders length of that, and what are some more like the area accordingly. You can simply gather some more information like that as well for you. But right now I'm just going to run this out and once check it out at my end, that how is this resulting. Now there can be no limit for gathering up our information regarding any of the countries, but whatever the essential things which we can gather up here, those all I have discussed up in this particular one, right? So I could just once run it out and let's check in that what are we gonna get up here as a output for us, as an answer for us up here, right? So let me just check that out. I will choose an interpreter for me like that. Click over the run option and let's see what do we get up. Okay. So see here. First of all, what I searched for the alternate spellings. It means that what are the alternate words which we have, which we can call in for India. So IN, Bharat, Republic of India, Bharat Ganraj, and New Delhi. And so New Delhi is now the capital, right? We are searching for capital next, so it's capital. The languages, Hindi and English, right? What's the time zone? So UTC plus 5:30. What's the currency? INR. What's the calling code? 91. And here it is displayed you the information to your India with the help of Wikipedia. I can click up over that link and it will actually help me to open that out here for me, right? So this is the respective manner how you can proceed on with the thing. See, it is automatically opening up onto the Google, and there it's opening up en.wikipedia.org/wiki/India. So here it will actually gather up all of the informations regarding India. This is the complete article regarding your India, right? So it's like that. You can just now further proceed in with the other things, right? So this is the method how you can gather up the information of any respective country with the help of Python programming language. Now what you could do is that you can just very simply convert it to a GUI, and after converting it to a GUI you can simply make up a button of show. As soon as you click that show button, what will it help you to do? It will generally display up all of the information regarding that country, right? So the projects like that up till now are not into the market, so you can just simply put up some cool backgrounds in that particular Tkinter window. You can add in some musics regarding to the country which you are searching, right? Accordingly you can add in some background music, and you can make in some buttons which will help you to either show all the information, or you can make some specific buttons like if you want to see the calling code for that specific button, if you want to see up the capital for that specific button. So the specific buttons can be made in for each and every information which has been displayed up here. So that is one of the projects which are right away not into the market. These projects are not being made out and added up into the resumes. So you can make that project onto your own and add that projects into your resume, and that will be a sort of a very different project which will come up into the market, right? Because I'm again repeating, no projects like that have been made up here up till now. Great. So yeah, hope I am clear with this particular thing to you regarding making up of this particular project, how you can just simply make that out, how the things work up here regarding your library and the things. If you have any questions, so please you can put that questions here down for me. Aditya, I guess your question has been answered up by me, right Aditya? Okay. So yeah, if you people are having any other questions, so yeah, you can just please put those questions here for me, and I will be really happy to answer all those questions for you. And if we are having no questions, so yeah, this was a sort of project from my side which we had done in up here today. And yeah, very soon I'm planning to come live daily onto my channel. Very soon I'm planning to do that. As per your wish, that's the thing which is being done. Very soon I'm planning to come up daily onto the live, and I hope that comes very, very, very early. So yeah, stay tuned onto the channel. And if you had enjoyed this live stream, you can just simply like up this live stream, and even you can further share it with your friends as well, so that they can make in some cool projects, and they can simply get in the respective information from you. Okay. um, Nikhil, ma'am, can you please do live take in the project next week? Sure, Nikhil, I would consider this absolutely, and next week it will be a Teak Inter Python project. Okay, sure, I will do it. Okay, done. Decided from today only. We will do like Teak Inter project next week. Okay, Sagar, if you wrote US country, it shows so many time zones. Sagar, US has 6 time zones only. Is that any error, ma'am? No, Sagar, it's not that any error like that. It's just that in there you are having 6 time zones, because according to the different places which you're having in US, they're having different time zones as well. So there is no such mistake, Sagar. It's absolutely correct. Nikhil, please to live every day, full support. Yeah, sure, Nikhil, it's coming very, very, very soon. Okay, so just yeah, stay on to this channel, and there only you will get the announcement regarding the daily live streams. Like, are we gonna do that daily or simultaneously? We are gonna do, what will be the days, what will the timings? Every information you'll be getting up there itself. Okay. Fine. So yeah, thank you everyone for joining up this live stream here. I was really very happy to have you people here in this live stream. It was very much fun with you all here in this live stream, and hope I have answered all of your questions whatsoever you were having. And if not, so yeah, you can let me know anytime, any type of question, and you can post that in any of the recent videos, or you can just join in the live streams and get your queries resolved live here. Okay, you can please refer this channel to your friends as well, and do subscribe out the channel if you haven't done up till now. Even I have one more channel which is UPSC with Shambhavi. So if you haven't subscribed that channel up till now, so please go ahead and subscribe out to that respective channel, because it covers up the complete preparation regarding your government services, your UPSC exams, and the things. Okay. Most welcome, Shalini. Most welcome, Aditya. Aditya, ma'am, I have some questions. Yeah, please, Aditya, you can just put those down here. Yeah, please put that down, Aditya. I would help you out with that. Okay, yeah, Aditya, you can just please put that down question for me. I would help you out with that. And up till the time, if anyone else is having any other questions as well, guys, so you can please let me know. Aditya, ma'am, I'm going to take course. Yeah, sure, Aditya, you can take in the course according to your choice, whatsoever the company you had chosen, and that will absolutely be good, Aditya. But some people are saying that tell me, what are the people saying? They are suggesting me for full stack development because of his scope. No, Aditya, I never believe in these types of things of people whosoever are saying that, because Aditya, right away there is a scope in each and every field, Aditya. You take it full stack, you take it data science, you take it AI, you take it machine learning, deep learning, any field, Aditya, you take it, there is a lot and lot of scopes. But there's some insecurity because I don't have right guidance. Yeah, that's so, Aditya. I would recommend you that please do not listen to these things. Whatsoever is your interest, if you're having interest in AI, so please go ahead with the AI, because AI and full stack development, these two are a sort of very, very, very different things, Aditya. Right? So if you are having up the interest in AI, so please go ahead with AI, do the course perfectly of AI, and further it will really help you to boost up your career. Right, now I am saying this to you because you are having interest in AI. If any person is having interest in full stack development, so I would recommend full stack development to that person, because yes, the scope is equal in both of the fields, Aditya. Right, it's not like that you're having less scope in AI. No, it's not like that. Right away, everything is converting completely to AI. Everything is being run through artificial intelligence. Right. So yeah, please, Aditya, if you are having interest in AI, you know, have interest in mathematics, you have interest in Python, proceed with your AI dream. Okay, please go ahead with that. And other people too will give you suggestions. They will keep on giving you suggestions based upon their experience, but it's just that you have to figure it out that what is the best one for you, in which you are having up the interest, and what can be the best suit for you. Okay, I always recommend you that whatsoever is your interest, go with that. Okay. Okay, fine. So Aditya, hope your question is answered out by me, and hope you had gotten now that what do you have to do further here, further which field to choose and which not to choose. Right, hope I had helped you out with that. And if anything else you are having, you can please put that down in the any of my recent video comments, and I'll be happy to answer that out. Okay. So thank you so much everyone for joining up this live stream. Thanks for being here. It was really fun to have you people up here. Now I'll see you all next Saturday, same time, 10 p.m. in the night, with some Tkinter Python project stuff. So see you there in the next live stream on next Saturday. Till then, thank you everyone and take care. Hope to have a great week ahead, everyone.